Hello, Mr. Mori here again with another tutorial. Today I'm here to teach you how to register an NYC Schools account for your student. An NYC Schools account will provide you with a new way of accessing key information about your child's progress. With your NYC Schools account, you'll be able to view your child's information in one of 10 languages on a computer, phone, or tablet. You can register your account on any computer or internet-connected device by following these simple steps. Step number 1 is to visit mystudent.nyc and then select the Create Account link found on the login page. Once here, you'll have to enter specific information to register your account. Once you have all of the information filled out, you click Validate Email. This will send an email verification number to the email address that you entered into the field. You'll then be asked to create a password that will be unique for you so that you can access your child's information. They'll then ask you to provide answers to specific security questions in case you have to recover your account. Pick 3 questions that only you would know the answer to. Once you've verified your email address, it'll bring you to the Add Students page to create your account. Here is where you're going to put in your student's 9-digit ID number. The 9-digit student ID number can be found on your child's report card. If you do not have your child's ID number, you can always log into your IO Classroom Pupil Path account and you'll find their ID number there. You can also contact your child's school to find out what their ID number is. After putting in the student ID number, you'll then be asked to put in the account creation code. This is the unique creation code that was given to you on the handout from the school. If you do not have your creation code, you can contact your child's school for their account creation code. Once you have the code, you can go ahead and create an account. It will then ask to confirm that you are the guardian. It'll have the name on file for the guardian and you'll be asked to proceed. If you have more than one child attending a New York City public school, you will receive one letter containing an account creation code for each child. You will only need to enter the student ID and account creation code for one of your children in steps 2 and 3 above to create your account. Once you create an account, you can add your remaining children by entering their student IDs and account creation codes on the Manage My Account page. Each account creation code is unique to you and your child and should not be shared with anybody else. If you are not the parent named in the letter, or if you're not the parent who is posted as the guardian in the confirm box, please contact your child's school or call 311 for assistance on accessing your child's records. We hope this provides a valuable way for you to participate in your child's education. Thank you and have a good night.